The Obama surcharge is appearing on restaurant bills across the country already.
Double D Pizza is a family-owned business serving hot New York-style slices to customers. But these days, there's something new on the menu.
I looked at the bottom and I was like, ticket shock.
That's interesting. I've never heard of it before.
It's not an ingredient they're talking about, but rather a 5% surcharge added to customers' bills to help cover the cost of employees' health care.
They need it. It enriches their lives. I mean, we all know what it's like to be worried about paying our bills and our medical bills. We've been wanting to give our employees insurance since we first opened from the very beginning. The last 7 years were pretty tough, and it just took a while to finally get it into play.
Dorr says the money will be used to pay for half of the health care costs for all employees, both full and part-time.
I know that myself and the rest of the staff really appreciate, that Ted and Cindy, took this upon themselves to kind of help us have a solution to the problem.
The idea isn't new. Restaurants throughout California already have similar surcharges in place. Business professor Cliff Young of CU Denver says the added surcharge is simply a way to offset health care costs.
The total cost of the actual food that we ate was $30. The employee health care was only $1.51.
For Bonnie Bell, the pizza's taste was spoiled by the bill's arrival. There soon may be some grumbling in Florida, too, because restaurants there are starting to add the surcharge as well.
That a pizza place in Denver is adding a 5% charge to customers' bills in order to pay for half of the health care costs of all employees, both full and part-time. That's just half. A 5% increase is just half of their charges. A restaurant chain in Florida has also added a 1% surcharge to its customers' bills. And look at this. They said the costs associated with the ACA, that's the Affordable Care Act, if we can call it that, Obamacare, could ultimately close our doors. Instead of raising prices on our products to generate additional revenue needed to cover the cost of compliance, this restaurant has implemented a 1% surcharge on all food and beverage purchases only. See, the Obama administration is hoping that people are going to quietly absorb these costs, and yet many business owners are just barely making ends meet. Certainly the small business owners. This is going to drive them out. It's going to further decrease the number of people in our economy that have a stake in the economy as business owners. It's going to further consolidate big businesses' control on the throat of the marketplace. And of course, at the bottom line, this is all about transferring a massive amount of wealth from all Americans at every social strata to the insurance companies who wrote it.